Number 8. The '69 Pontiac GTO. On the other side of the muscle car showdown was the legendary Pontiac GTO. Known for kickstarting the muscle car craze in the 60s, the GTO roared with a distinctive character all its own. For '69, it offered an upgraded 400 Ram Air engine that cranked out a thrilling 366 horsepower. The sound of that V8 with its high-flow exhaust and aggressive camshaft was nothing short of exhilarating. When you pressed the accelerator, it released a sharp, throaty growl that turned heads everywhere it went, adding to its allure with a new model called the Judge, which offered a more stripped-down race-inspired package that emphasized performance and raw sound over luxury. With a spoiler that claimed to add a touch of downforce at speed, it certainly didn't skimp on the audacious growl that made it memorable. The Judge was colorful, loud, and proud, solidifying the GTO's reputation in muscle car history. Number 7. The '69 Mercury Cougar XR7. A classy performer in the late 60s, muscle cars were all about power and style, and the '69 Mercury Cougar XR7 was a standout. While some brands were busy launching flashy special editions, Mercury kept it sleek and sophisticated with the Cougar Eliminator. This wasn't your average muscle car. It had an overall redesign that turned heads. Gone was the old grille, replaced by a clean look featuring hidden headlights and a sporty downward spear along the sides. The Cougar grew a bit larger, making it more aggressive and ready to rumble. Under the hood, you had options, starting with the 351 cubic inch V8, delivering a solid 250 horsepower. But if you really wanted to turn things up, the Cougar's optimal 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust bumped that to a satisfying 290 horsepower. When you hit the gas, that V8 sang a deep, throaty growl that echoed down the street. The Eliminator model was a real treat, packing a 428 Cobra Jet V8 with an optional Super Cobra Jet Ram Air intake, pushing power up to a staggering 400 horses. The sound of that engine? Pure thunder. It wasn't just about speed, it was about making a statement every time you fired it up. Number 6. The '69 AMC Rebel Machine. Next up is the '69 AMC Rebel Machine, a car that might not have mainstream fame, but definitely deserves some love. This midsize muscle car came out swinging with its unique, eye-catching red, white, and blue trim, making it stand out from the crowd. While it shared its underpinnings with the Rambler line, the Rebel was designed to be a performance machine. The Rebel Machine brought the fun and flair back into the game. The Rebel offered impressive power with its V8 engine, which was a 390 cubic inch beast that churned out around 340 horsepower. When you cranked it up, the sound was nothing short of exhilarating. It had a bold, muscular roar that could turn heads at any stoplight. Plus, it was practical, boasting a roomy interior and plenty of cargo space for those weekend getaways. Despite being marketed as a family car, it proved it had plenty of muscle under the hood. Number 5. The '69 Dodge Polara RT 440. The '69 Dodge Polara RT is one impressive ride. Launched in the early '60s, the Polara was Dodge's top full-size car, known for its bold design and powerful engines. In '69, it sported a sleek, streamlined look called fuselage design, giving it a modern and aggressive stance on the road. It even came with front seat head restraints, meaning new safety standards that made cruising a bit safer. The Polara 500 made its return that year, sitting right between the base model and the luxurious Monaco. Buyers had the option of a convertible or hardtop coupe, and under the hood, there was no shortage of power. While the base model came with a 225 cubic inch slant 6, the real stars were the optional V8 engines, the 318, 383, and the beastly 440 cubic inch V8. The Polara RT was built for performance, and the sound of that 440 was nothing short of thunderous. When you fired it up, it roared to life, filling the air with a deep rumble that announced your presence. Now, let's